Hey family, I'm back. It went way across town. And gotta come back at 12 to 1. Whew, I tell you, just one of those days. One of those days, family. That I need a little more Jesus. A little more Jesus. Give me strength. Give me strength, Jesus. My allergy already messing with me. I'm not feeling too hot. Then they say about 9 o'clock, I gotta get out of my bed, get myself together, come over here for them to say 12 or 1. I was in my bed, relaxing. Didn't have to get up. Now, I'm out in the cold. No, I'm out in the cold. I gotta go back to the house and wait till that time. And I don't even know if I could come back at that time because someone got to pick up this machine at my house. And I think they gave me a window from, yeah, they gave me a window from 12 to 3, I believe. So, I look like a black Eskimo with this half of my head. Oh, black Eskimo. And I'm trying to stick to my weight loss journey and my walking. And it's too cold for me to walk. And yesterday was cold, so I wasn't able to do that. So that's a few days. My body already feel like it want to lock up because it don't get no exercise like it should. And I got to get this weight off of me. The doctor's telling me get that weight off. Else I'm gonna have to put you on the what you call it? Ooh, this car is coming so fast. That shit be scaring me. They be speeding right behind you so fast, like it. Ooh. Diabetic. Right now it says diabetic diabetic right now. Well, you know, if I, just lose some weight. His hair wasn't bad enough for me to put it on the bill, but I'm on the line. I'm on the line, so I gotta get this weight off of me. And as I'm trying to get it together, something always try to knock you back down. It ain't nothing but the devil try to knock you right back down. Want to keep me down. Want to try to keep on steal and destroy me and take from me and beat me down till I ain't here no more. But the devil is a lie. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Because I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. Lord, just keep giving me the strength. Okay, I'll be falling, but I get back up again. I get back up again. I get back in the fight. Yes, I'm gonna make it. It's so cloudy. The clouds are they come together like it's gonna storm. Like it's gonna storm. I'll be watching some of the videos where I don't know where they stay at, but it be snowing and it be so packed, and and when they put their foot off and their foot going down off in the snow. I forgot. Yeah. So, yeah, that looked weird. Like, ugh. I don't think I can stay in nothing like that. Just like a lot of people say they can't stay in California because it's earthquake weather in California. That's where you have your earthquakes at. But I think it's wherever you born and or either just raised. I say raised because I was born in Louisiana, but and I came out here when I was a baby, so I was raised in California. So I can't say wherever you are born at. So it's really based on wherever you raised at a young age, Because if I was raised off in Louisiana, I'll probably be saying, ooh, I can stay out there in that earthquake weather. So, it just depends on that. But, where they be having them tornadoes and all that stuff, This earthquake out here in California is bad enough. It's bad enough. My daughter wanted to move to Georgia, Atlanta. I was like, no, I don't think so. And she won't go unless she wanted to go, but she wanted to not be that far from me if I'm not there. Just like she was out here in Modesto and I was out in Antioch. And she talked to me until I ended up moving out here. So now we like about 15, 20 minutes from each other. And she was talking about going to Atlanta and asked me will I go if she go. I said, no, I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one. Yeah, so don't know about that one. Yeah, family. So let me get off and go in this house and get warmed up. Cause I'm cold. And get my speaking progress on schedule. Cause they done threw me off. They done threw me off. So I gotta get back, you know. Gotta get back. But it'll be okay. It'll be okay. I'm gonna get it together. So I'm gonna get back with y'all later. And y'all have a nice day. And talk with y'all later. All right, I'm out.